So a couple of years ago, I said I was gonna start investing in old sealed Pokemon stuff, and that's exactly what I've been doing. Each month, I put a certain amount of money into like a Pokemon fund, and then I will go and buy stuff that appeals to me. As you'll see in this video, I like a lot of Diamond and Pearl era stuff, especially Japanese, because it's quite expensive, but compared to like EX, it's very affordable. So we've got 2 Diamond boxes there. I had my eyes on 2 Pearl boxes, and they literally just got bought the other day. It's one of my biggest regrets was not getting at least one of them. But this is a Mysterious Treasures box, and I have 2 of those. As you can see, there's some packs to the right, which I'm going to show after. But this isn't everything. This is just like my best stuff, or most expensive stuff. And I'm quite proud of it, to be honest. I know it's like proper nerdy, but I've seen a lot of this stuff double in price over the past couple of years. I'm quite glad I did this. So that's a Moonlit Pursuit box, which is like Great Encounters. This one is Mysterious Treasures, which is Legends Awakened in English. But yeah, excuse my like voice. The coronavirus thing's just happened, and I think I've got it, so that's a bit shit. And then we've got this box is beat up. This was difficult to get though. This is very hard to get. This is a Stormfront Japanese box. It's called Intense Fight in the Destroyed Sky. Unlimited. I think most of these boxes are unlimited. Are they all unlimited? No, they're all unlimited except for a couple. And then we've got a platinum box. Galactic Conquest is what they call it in Japan. That's pretty decent condition, that one. That one and the Moonlit Pursuit one are very nice. And this is my most expensive box at the moment. This is a EX Sandstorm box. It's quite old. I think it's like 2003. A really cool box, but I've got to be very gentle with it. nearly let it fall over there. But yeah, here we go. So we got a platinum Rising Rivals box. This is called Bonds to the End of Time, and I currently have 2 of these, but I'm going to be ordering a 3rd one soon, just because it's one of my favourite sets. I'm not going to open it though, because that would be silly, unless the box is like completely beat up, and then I would open it. But that's like a Magma versus Aqua remake set. I think for some reason it's quite expensive. I guess it's because it was limited, there wasn't many of them printed or something. But that one's, and this one again, this is like, I think this did get reprinted, but for a while it was expensive. And then we've got a couple black and white boxes coming, but see the Mysterious Treasures in the back, what happened? Oh yeah, one of the boxes I got was just fucked. Like, it said it was sealed, but it was just not in a good state, so I just opened it, took the packs out and sold those. I've only sold a couple so far, but okay, so we've got an EX Deoxys pack. That shit cost like a lot for one pack. That's the thing, I find it hard to spend that much on one pack, but I had to do it for this one, just because EX Deoxys on the English side is just a joke. That shit is so expensive, and I managed to get the Japanese one pretty cheap. And the same Magma v Aqua, that's another relatively expensive one, but the artwork on that pack is amazing. I think it's one of the best arts for a booster pack ever. I've got some Spanish Ruby and Sapphire. You only get 5 cards per pack, but I weighed those, and there is definitely heavy packs. I think there's like 3 or 4 heavy packs out of those 10, so I was really happy with that, because I thought they might just be all light. These are all light. This is 8 EX Legend Maker packs in Chinese. I've now ordered a box. I found a box for a reasonable price, so I've got 7 Arceus packs. I'd love to get a box of that, but it's very expensive. First edition. Really cool artwork. Just before Heart Gold and Soul Silver came along. I think that Cry of the Mysterious box, I think I called it Mysterious Treasures. I can't remember. Alright, so then we've got 2 Pearl packs. I'm just trying so hard to get those Pearl boxes now. You know when something gets taken away from you, you want it even more. So now I've got, I think this is Freeze Bolt, black and white packs, and then we got Cold Flare. I think we've got like 8 each of those. They're still relatively cheap, like £3 a pack or something. For black and white, that's very good. And then there's some more mysterious treasures. That was from the box I opened. And then finally, I've got CP6 packs. I got 6 of those. I don't know why I've got those ones in a baggy thing. I need to take them out, but yeah, that's my collection so far. I want to do another video in like a year, see where I'm at. But yeah, thanks for watching.